dramatic oh. Uy!
Yeah?
Susunod na!
Watching Marvel Avengers, first one.
Sige, sige, let's go! Where are we going? We are going on a camping trip. Teka, mainit. Good afternoon mga pards. May guest tayo. Hey, handsome kid. Actually not a kid, 70 na yan, birthday niyan. So currently we are at, nasaan ba tayo nak? Vermosa. Yeah, so this is Vermosa, Cavite.
Oh, sure.
Ganda ng sky, so it's a bit cloudy. So excited kami for the camping trip. Dahil first time nga namin to, bonding, dahil celebrate namin ang birthday ng dude na ito. So it's a 17th birthday. At ano yung gift ko sa'yo?
Car.
This one. We will be covering our camping trip. It's because epic to. Gusto nga natin ma-introduce at maging involved sa car camping. Even ano nga tawag doon? Overlanding. Yun, overlanding. Yung gift ko sa anak ko is a car that's capable of doing an off-road. Pero hindi yun pang overland kasi maliit yun para lagyan ng... Pwede din naman. You can sleep there. Pero much better pag overlanding, mas malaki yung car. Our travel time is 1 hour 10 minutes and we will arrive to our destination around 4:46. So abuti pa natin ng sunset. Hopefully mag-clear ang skies para makita natin ang sunset kung ano may lugar na yon, but it will be an epic night. Sige, drive na muna tayo. Welcome to Silang. 6 minutes na lang oh. So it's just near. It's just near Aguinaldo Highway. Uy, nice wheels. Kagagaling ko lang dito, anak.
Really? Bakit? Why?
I was just here earlier. I mean, duman ako sa sa way na to. Oo. Kasi earlier, galing ako sa isang flower farm. Dito ang destination natin, oh. Dun ba? Yan na yun. This one, yan ang Silangan. This one, oh. Ah, ito na nga. Okay. Okay. So it's a blank space. Ito na nga.
Oh, this looks nice.
Wow! So mayroon mga car campers dito. Alright. Kaso, saan tayo? Yan oh, nice car. Gusto ko rin someday ng ganyan. Yan, ganyan oh.
Naging car.
Kaya nga eh. Oh, it's a cafe.
Oh.
So introduction na to ng camping talaga. I wonder kung saan tayo. Malamig no?
Sukod na.
Well, it's a bit of Tagaytay na rin kasi, or malapit sa Tagaytay.
Malapit sa Tagaytay.
Camp ideas. Ooh. Saan kami, kuya?
Malikot sir yung pin natin.
Sige, sunod ako sa'yo. Okay. Ito, complete setup no. It's a sign. It's a sign. Yeah, mga ganyan. Imagine mo sila, oh. Naka-car sila na ano. It doesn't matter if you are driving a pickup truck, camper van. I mean, basta gugustuhin mo lang, ayan, oh.
That's really nice.
Diyan na sila matutulog. Ayan, dami mga campers din, oh. Ayan, that's so cool.
It is. Wow.
Doon tayo sa dulo. Oh. Ito dito sa package nila, meron ng mga kasamang, and you get to cook. Wow. Sige, tanong muna tayo bago tayo mag 7-Eleven. So first time namin. First time namin. Wala nga kaming kagamit-gamit pa eh. So ang nirent namin, or ang binayaran namin, kasama na yung tents. And then ano pang mga amenities doon? I mean, may lutuan ba kami?
Ano siya?
May lulutuin kami.
Ayun lang wala po.
So kasi mag 7-Eleven kami, ano na yung pwede namin bilhin?
Ayun sir, kompleto na po.
Ooh, saan oh? Look oh. So diyan kami matutulog. And then yan na lahat. May
Ano
bedsheet na.
Airbed po.
Airbed.
Opo.
Sige na to eh. So yan, tapos may ilaw na rin yan sa loob.
Apo, meron po.
Sige. Okay, mag 7-Eleven na muna kami.
Sabihin ko lang to sir para...
It's cold, it's cold. Sige. So it's cold. So pag nagutom tayo,
May restaurant.
may restaurant sa tabi. If you get hungry, that's Moto Safu. That's a nice concept. Gusto ko rin ng ganyan na ano.
Yung ganyang store.
Yeah, tambayan. Ayan, tambayan talaga ng mga motor, oh. And then dyan, ang camping site natin, this one. Boom. Silangan. Alright, so we are ready na. Off-road capable. Ayan, totally wala kaming dala papunta dito. It's just us, the car, and then actually wala kaming food, so we'll be eating chips dirty tonight, and we'll be having some beer, some mattresses and pillows. So tara, the stuff that you can carry. Yep, okay. Unfortunately, walang sunset, pero weather is good naman. It's a bit cloudy, sana mamaya may stars, pero I doubt since cloudy nga. Walang sunset, but at least it's a good weather. Everything. So there. So kasama sa accommodations namin is that tent. And then stuff. Kasama na rin yung uling. We also have, I think, utensils here. Ayan, may butane. Pwede magluto. Actually, ayan, oh, madilim pero we have, ayan, we have plates, baso, butane, lutuan. We have water. We forgot to buy water. And,
Meron akong malaking water.
and then later, may surprise sa'yo, Poy. Nakita mo yung white screen na yan?
No. What's that?
What's that for?
Projector?
Yeah, later we'll be watching movie.
Oh, that's so nice.
We'll be watching movie later. So, set up tayo dito. So, yun. Labas mo na yung mga chairs natin. Okay. Oh! Yun oh! Ang sarap oh! Nice one, anak. Alright, so chill muna kami. You know, what's good here is ayun na yung road, oh, nandun yung main road. So it's a secure place full of campers, may gamit man or hindi. Ayan. But yeah, chill. At least you get to have that chance or opportunity to experience camping kahit wala ka pang gamit. But I would say this is an introduction. Intro na to, ano anak?
Yeah.
I-invest na tayo niyan. Tama, napaka-poderoso namin, no? Shoutout kay kuya. Kakamping kasi walang kadala-dalang kahit ano. Seriously, ang dala lang namin was
Clothes.
clothing, unan. Buti pa yung skincare, naalala namin yung skincare. Naalala namin yung pampaganda. But of course, marami tayong matututunan dito, anak.
Yeah.
Buti na lang
time.
nandito si kuya. And yung lugar na to is, I would say glamping. Kasi dapat kami nag-start ng fire eh. Diba? Don't worry, mag-i-improve tayo dyan. So sa mga sunod na projects natin, yun ang gagawin natin sa car camping natin. Now we know. Pero good thing meron ganitong lugar that's really convenient for the newbies like us. Yun oh. Wow. Girl na kagad tayo, anak.
Okay.
So habang maliwanag pa, you wanna join me?
Yes.
So let's walk around and see the setup ng mga campers ng kapitbahay. Yan. Chill. Mamaya makikita natin yung bed natin, but it's an air bed. Saya. Boss. Yan, so it's an open space. Yan, pag nagutom tayo, doon lang tayo kakain, no? So ikot na tayo ng konti. There are kids. Yan, setup there's good also. Gilid doon, dito medyo maraming tents dito. So this is really friendly for kids. Even pag picnic. That one, that's good. Ganda, ang saya. Ah, cute. May kasamang CR din, oh. Cute, cute, cute. Oh, nice car. That's a nice setup. So, yeah, yan yung mga kapitbahay namin. Medyo madilim na. Ayun yung aming camping place. Nasa sulo kami, which is also good. So, nakakayaman, but someone prepared fire for us. Wala talaga tayo na ready, no? Well, thank you sa nag-book. So, alam mo naman tayo masyadong busy. So, someone arranged this for us. Kaya naging possible din siya. But definitely marami kaming natutunan. Especially ako, marami akong natutunan for a beginner camper. Lalo't yan ang gusto natin gawing activity very soon. So ayan, dumidilim na. Chill na lang tayo. And ihaw mamaya habang dumidilim.
I hope it's not too late for me. I aim to find a place to be there.
Lamig. It's so cold. So tara, gluto na tayo. So yun, kompleto. Uy! We have plates. Kaya malulutuin natin. So we got this sa Dali.
Hindi lang sa gas, Dad.
Sige, dyan sa likod. So we got this sa Dali. And we will be cooking this. This is a lechon belly. Ready to cook. Walang wala, yun ang iihawin natin. So by the way, sabi nung nag-arrange nito, ang package pala natin, so may karapatan talaga pala kaming walang gawin kasi yung package na in-arrange is lahat sila ang mag-aasikaso para sa guest. So may package na gano'n na even the tents, everything is set up, everything's ready, even the fire. Part naman pala yun ng package. So yun, kaya okay lang talaga na even fire. Pero next time i-improve na natin yan. Tayo na sunod ang gagalaw. Imagine, may even good thing wala tayo. Wala tayo. We have tongs. Lahat talaga provided na, tongs. Ang kailangan mo na lang talaga is food to cook. So ito, recipe natin to. This is a instant lechon belly. Tingnan natin ang quality. Oh, it's good. Ano ko, look.
Let me see.
It's like
Oh, it's nice, ah.
So belly to. Ayan. Diba? Since busog pa naman tayo, slow cook na lang natin yan dyan. Yan, slow cook natin yan. And if you want hotdog, ayan, may hotdog tayo dito. Also from Dali. Ang kulit ng food natin, hindi sustainable. Like, basta na lang tayo naka-accept. Buti na lang kahit pa paano may nabili tayo.
Next time.
Like 7-Eleven, walang hotdog dahil ang hotdog sa kanila luto na. Buti na lang across the street,
May dali.
may Dali, nakabili tayo ng hotdog yan. Pero nakakatawa yung amateur. Kumusta yung palyempo natin dyan? Yan yung palyempo natin, oh. Yan ang ating chef for tonight. Sige, chill na lang muna tayo ulit. Ganda ng upuan na to. Nice seat, komportable. So yeah, we acknowledge na amateur. Well, honestly, this is my first time ng camping. Buong buhay ko, ngayon pala ako makaka-experience nito. Medyo, buti na lang kasama ko anak ko. So this is a epic moment for me, personally. Pero this is my first time actually ng camping. It's because nung araw, gustuhin ko man na maka-experience nito. Sumali sa mga Boy Scout, yung mga camping na yun. Nung araw wala kaming pambili, or nung araw wala kaming capabilities na mabili yung mga gears. Even if nung college gusto kong sumali sa, this is a true story, son. Even nung college I wanted to join yung mga hikers. Ang tawag doon nung nasa Bicol ako, they call the hiker glue.
Yung mga
Orgs, yeah. The organization is called Hagahag. In English, that's ladder. Hagdan, in Tagalog. So, for you to join, you'll have to have gears from yung chinelas or yung hiker shoes, yung mga lutuan, tents, gears, backpack, and everything. So, even during that time, wala. Hindi kaya. So, that's why no experience with whatsoever. Although hiker naman tayo, we tried hiking, pero yung hiking natin is balikan lang eh. We go up and then pagdating ng lunchtime, baba. So, pero yung mga hardcore na natutulog sa bundok, hindi pa natin experience yan, never. Pero gusto natin ma-experience yan. So, meron na naman tayong fixation. Hahabulin natin yan. But for now, chill naman na tayo. We're having a moment, epic moment, of course, with that gentleman who's cooking hot dog. And later may surprise. May pa-surprise mamaya. Anong dala mo? Thank you. Thank you, miss.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Oh, happy birthday. Open mo na, dali. Sayang ang film. Here. Oh, may pa-cake ka pa. Meron ka ng car, may cake ka pa. Are you happy? How's the birthday, boy?
It's nice. It's my best birthday.
May letter pa ba? Ha?
It's a really good birthday.
Yeah, I mean, happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Ready.
Alright, let's eat your cake. Buhay nga kami sa chicheria. Kawawa naman tong birthday boy.
No.
Puro hindi, joke lang. May niluluto naman kami and later we'll be preparing noodles. But this caught my attention. We bought this thinking na akala ko chicharon. Yung pala, hindi siya totoong pork, so it's made out of green peas. Galing. Sige, subukan natin. So para siyang ano? Oh, good. No, para siyang yung binili mo?
Ang one.
Mangwam.
What the hell?
Medyo luto ng hotdog, anak. There. Kumustahin natin yung ating pork steak. Oh, cooking nicely. Flip natin ng konti. Yan. Nice. We have protein. So we're having hot dogs. Yeah, kuka pa mamaya. And beer. Wow. So there's the moon. Ang ganda ng moon sa no. Pati yung stars kita. So kuya is setting up a movie for us. Yan, medyo epic tong movie for us dahil we're having a movie outside.
Amazing.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Oh, it's so good.
So, sentimental sa amin tong movie na to.
Super.
So, even the movie, they set up everything for us. Yeah, cool. Nice, and then yung moon. Whoa! Whoa! Nice!
Where are you? Please take me to the moon. Somewhere I won't be a tool. Yeah, let me fly with you. Where are you?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Love you, son!
Okay, love you, Dad.
I don't know kung medyo out of date na ako pero this projector is played or operated by USB
Director Fury, do you copy?
that has a remote. It's okay. Na nandito na lahat, volume, rewind, and then sound system setup, projector setup, screen, hotdog, my son, grill, my son, everything's here. Good chair. Yeah. Ano pang hanapin mo? Sige, tara. Go. Ganda talaga ng moon, anak ko.
I know.
Oh. Oh, di ba? Ha?
Somewhere I won't be.
So look at our Damn po. Okay. Tuto na.
Guys, look at this. Not pork, chicharron. Only that.
Good.
Are you? Where are you? Try to reach you.
Bakas nakapoy. Thank you kuya, kami na lang mag-refill.
Salamat po, kuya.
So may pag-bonfire din.
Dad, it's so cool.
Yeah. Sama-sama sa package yan.
I know.
So,
So cool.
yeah, the tent setup. Wow. Tent setup, movie, barbecue, and bonfire. Yeah, jacket na tayo dahil it's kind of getting cold na.
I know.
Lamig na. And the moon is up. See? Wow. Lamig.
Now might be a really good time for me to get angry. That's my secret, cat. I'm always angry.
Let's walk around ng konti. Huh? It's cold. Oh, those are nice clouds.
The moon moved, Dad.
Yeah.
Or no, we moved pala.
So, sige. It's really cold na. Sinisipo na and time to sleep. We're inside the tent. Ganda ng tent. Inflatable ba to? It is inflatable. Galing oh. Heavy duty. Looks tough. Ayan oh. Ang ganda na setup. Like a mini house na rin. Sige. Good night. Ay. Good morning mga pards. It's a good morning. Okay naman yung tulog. Dire-diretso at komportable. First time, I think may enjoy natin to. Definitely. Itong camping ang isa sa titingnan kong pagkakaabalahan natin as a hobby. Matagal na to eh. I mean, matagal ng plano. Simula pa nung after ng pandemic na uso yung mga overlanding, camping, yung mga tao mas lumalabas. Overall, this is a fulfilling experience. Maraming na-check, like yung childhood fixation, check. Bonding sa anak. Yun. Saya ng bonding. Ayos. I'm really interested with this coffee stand. Hi, good morning. Available coffee? Oh yeah, sure. Sige. Oh, nice. Nice setup. Oh, you have a baby. Sige, order ako ng something iced. Oo. Wow, pwede makita setup nyo? By the way, I'm Jet.
Okay, sir. Mike po.
Mike, nice to meet you, Mike. Hey, good morning. Ang lakas mo ah. Nakasando ka lang talaga. Yan oh, longganisa. Thank you, kuya. Oh, let's eat, boy. Sakto. So, kakat tayo pag-breakfast. Package nila. We paid for this. Sabi nga lahat, asa kami dito sa organizer or dito sa may-ari. So, everything's here, even the food. And then, pagkakain, uwi na. Tara, kain na muna. So yeah, bye campsite.
Bye.
That was a good experience. Uwi na kami. Everything set?
Yep.
Okay, okay, let's go home. So alright, pauwi na tayo. So this is the main gate. Katulad na nabanggit ko kagabi or kahapon. Yung gate niya hindi halatang may something sa loob. At yeah, immediately pagkalabas mo ng gate, road na. And then after a few clicks, what was that? Oops. Okay, ganda nito ah. Ayan oh. Ah, kaya maingay kanina. Ayan sila, dito sila Moto South. Gusto ko magkaroon ng ganyan someday. And we are at the main road. So this is Aguinaldo Highway na. I think we just traveled from the site mga 3-5 minutes. And then main road na tayo. How convenient. That was a good afternoon. That was a good experience, right? First time we learned a lot. Of course we had fun. We had fun bonding, father and son. Na-inspired din tayo lalo since we've met a new friend na into camper van and car life or van life. Wow, yeah, you're fast. So imagine mo kung gaano kalapit lang. That's Maxis already. Oh. Maxis ng silang. Pauwi na kami. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please do not forget to subscribe to the channel para updated kayo sa mga videos at adventures natin. That's it for today mga parts. Sana nagustuhan niyo ang video natin today at lagi natin tatandaan, hilig man sa kotse o sa motor, bakit ka papipili? Hard work pays off.
Pwede both.
Alright. Mukhang yan ang magiging bonding natin, ano, saan? Car and camping.
Car, camping, hiking.
Hiking, yes. Nature and adventure.